Today, I'm answering a question that gets asked to me quite often by employees of large companies in the area. If I sign up for this legal insurance that's offered by my employer as a benefit, will I be able to create an estate plan that actually works? I'm West Michigan estate planning attorney Sean Eystone, and up until a couple of years ago, I would have said a hard no to that question. But over the past couple of years, because so many people have been asking about it, we've taken the time to develop a process where we can help you utilize this plan and leverage these employee benefits to create an estate plan that actually works for you and your family. Whether we can leverage your employer-sponsored legal insurance plan to create an estate plan that actually works depends really on two things. First, the type of coverage you have, and then second, your personal situation. What we've seen with most of these plans is at the very least, they cover a basic estate plan, which would include a will, healthcare powers of attorney, financial powers of attorney. But some of them, about 95% of them, even will cover a living trust and a deed of your real estate to that trust. Some employers have an option for expanded coverage, which would allow you to cover your adult children, your parents, and even your in-laws if you choose. Now, if your employer offers this expanded coverage, we highly recommend that you take advantage of it because it will provide you with the greatest flexibility and the best ability to have an estate plan that actually works not just for you, but for your entire family. And then once we have the plan in place and you maintain your coverage through your employer, we can review this annually or anytime a major life event happens and update it accordingly. These could include births, deaths, marriages, or even a disability. Another advantage of these legal insurance plans is even if your coverage doesn't cover everything that you need to get done, we can still provide those services at a discounted rate. This usually comes up most often when you have minor children because none of the plans we've seen will cover what we call our minor protection plan. This would include a document to temporarily appoint somebody to care for your child if you should disappear, become disabled, or even if you want to go on a vacation. Another time that the coverage is usually not there is for advanced planning. Advanced planning would include things like asset protection planning, business succession planning, or even any advanced tax strategies, and sometimes any tax strategies at all. But again, we can still provide these services at a discounted rate because you have the legal insurance in place. Like all of our estate planning services, we try to make our process as convenient as possible for you. We can do all of the meetings up until the signing by telephone or Zoom if that's more convenient for you. And then when you're ready to move forward, we have developed an online intake form where you can see videos and read articles about all of the most commonly asked questions, and then give us all the information we need to schedule a strategy session with you. To get started, you can go to our website right now at eystonelawoffices.com/intake, and that website is below as well. Once you have your legal insurance in place, the process of working with us is really quite simple. The first step is to go through your HR department or through your legal insurance provider and get a claim number. And then you'll provide that claim number to us along with the last 4 digits of your social security number or your member number if your legal insurance plan uses a member number instead. And you'll give that to us during your intake process. Again, if you use the website intake form, you'll be able to put that in the comments or in one of the spots where we ask for that information. And then once we get that information from you and you schedule your strategy session, and that'll take about 30 minutes to have a strategy session with your attorney if you provide the information to us in advance. Then we can get you on your road to having an estate plan that actually works. The first step in any estate plan in making sure that it works is to actually start the plan. Having legal insurance in place gives you a head start in that planning process. So if you or someone in your family works for the government or a large corporation, it's quite likely that there is legal insurance as an employee benefit. Head to your HR department and ask, or ask your loved one to head to their HR department and ask, and then get signed up for coverage if it's available. Then once you have confirmed your coverage, you can head over to our online intake form, which again is eystonelawoffices.com/intake, and that's listed below as well, and start the process. Or if you still have questions, feel free to give us a call.